Hi guys, in this video we will see review and demo of RIN detergent bar. So I have bought two bar, one is 10 rupees and the other one is 25 rupees. Let's see the 10 rupees first. So this one is 130 gram bar, but 30 gram they are giving extra. So 160 gram bar will cost you rupees 10, and the big bar 250 gram one, this one is 25 rupees. So logically you are in advantage if you buy 10 rupee bar, and you should opt out for this one only. So the bar is blue in color and the small 10 rupee one will give you a good grip. See, and it is suitable for both colored and white clothes. Let's talk about the fragrance. It really gives your laundry a fresh, inviting scent that lingers. Even your dry clothes will smell good. So what I typically do is the cuff and the collar of the shirts, which doesn't get clean in the washing machine, I rub with the soap first and then put in the washing machine. See, the bar lathers well. It effectively removes the stain and dirt from the clothes. The bar is available in convenient packaging size of rupees 5, 10 and 25. The only downside is that you may feel it's mushy and getting dissolved way too quick. For that, just a quick tip. I have this hanging soap case, so I don't feel that issue at all. But for you, make sure that the soap is not left in water for long and you drain out all the excess water. And of course, you will feel your hands dry out a little bit, but make sure that you apply cream or lotion, then you are good. Overall, it's a reliable and effective option. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.